I'm Hanson G. Awid, and in this video I will explain to you what is criminal procedure. Criminal procedure refers to the legal process and rules that governs how criminal cases are handled from investigation through the trial and, if necessary, appeals. It involves the steps taken by law enforcement, prosecutors, defense attorneys, and court system to ensure the fair treatment and protection of individual rights within the criminal justice system. And the key components includes arrest, search and seizure, interrogation, arraignment, pre-trial motions, trial procedures, and lastly, the sentencing. The goal is to ensure the justice while safeguarding the rights of the accused. Ibig sabihin po nito ng criminal procedure, isa itong proseso o stages na may mga opisyales ng gobyerno na involved kagaya ng mga pulis, judge, abogado, witness at marami pang iba na kinakailangan para sa isang kaso. Ito yung proseso kung paano isinasagawa ang pag-file ng criminal cases sa accused. Nagsisimula ito sa pag-aresto ng isang tao hanggang sa final judge ng korte.
Good day everyone, I am Araf Ali, and today I will be talking about what is the inquisitorial system. So first, let us define what is inquisitorial system. An alternative system in a trial in which the court is actively involved in determining the facts of the case and the conduct of the trial. It's based on a Roman law and it's used in varying forms by European countries. So the judge and the lawyer. So the judge plays an active part in the trial. They conduct public investigation and control the police investigation. The system places more emphasis on ensuring the punishment of the guilty party, while the lawyer plays only a little role. So for further example, Mate Khalid will explain the following.
In an inquisitorial system, the judge takes an active role in investigating the case by gathering evidence and questioning the witnesses. Here's an example. Imagine a criminal trial where the judge oversees the proceedings. The judge initiates investigations by direct questioning of witnesses and evaluates evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. The judge may also appoint experts to gather additional testimony and evidence. In an inquisitorial system, the judge plays more prominent role in determining the guilt or innocence of the accused. In this system, the judge acts as both investigator and decision maker, aiming to uncover the truth and ensure a fair trial.
The second system is the accusatorial system. In the accusatorial system, the prosecution defense are responsible for presenting evidence and arguments to an impartial judge or jury, who then decides the defendant's guilt or innocence. This system emphasizes the presumption of innocence and places the burden of proof on the prosecution to prove the guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
Now let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of the accusatorial legal system. So the first advantage is the presumption of innocence, which is based on the principle that the defendant is presumed innocent until proven guilty. This helps protect individuals from being wrongfully convicted. Next is the protection of rights. This system allows for robust legal representation, ensuring that the both sides have the opportunity to present their case and challenge the evidences. The next one is the transparency, which is typically open to the public. And the last one is efficiency, which can be more efficient than the inquisitorial legal system. The first disadvantage is focus on winning, which sometimes prioritizes winning over discovering the truth. Number two is the inequality of resources. The system may disadvantage the parties who do not have the financial resource to afford competent legal representation. The last one is the emphasis on procedure, which can sometimes overshadow a substantive issues in a case.
So, hello everyone, my name is Angelo de Saganda Tilano, and today I am tasked to report the mixed systems. So what is the mixed systems? It combines both the elements of the inquisitorial and accusatorial system. So in an inquisitorial system, the judge usually takes an active role in the investigation of the case. On the other hand, the accusatorial system, both parties are primarily responsible for presenting the evidence. So in the mixed system, there might be an elements of both such both systems, as for example allowing the judge to intervene in the investigator's process while maintaining the adversarial nature of the trial. So an example of where the judge takes an active role in the investigation is when the judge questions the witness or examines the documents thoroughly.